So what's up, guys? Today we have an iPad 12.9 fifth generation. It has no power issue. Let's plug in the charge cable and see what we get. Taking in 0.47 amp. And it shows only zero point 0.4, like about half an amp draw when you plug it in. And sometimes we see there's a short, and sometimes, it's just the charging port itself. In this case, we don't know. But most case we're seeing is that it could be short. That's why, we see that some kind of current right there. But it could be also the charging port itself that may be bad as well. We're not sure. So the only way that we can really diagnose this issue is to remove the screen and take it off and test the logic port itself and also the charging port as well. I swear this iPad are not made to repair. Jesus Christ. Look at this. Yeah, about the same. Let's try it. Let's try it. It's always hard to put it that way. And then we can go this way. And right there. Okay. Let's see if this will work. Let's try to charge it. So we're getting the same thing. 0.47 amp draw. So it's like there's a short somewhere. Okay, it's not the charging port. Okay, so we need to going to test the logic board. So we need to remove some stickers in this section right here. There we go. Yeah, that's all we need. So let's look up under the microscope and see what we get. CPU. Oh man, we should remove this one as well. So need to unhook the battery. So let's measure the circuit around the power management chip. Oh, what is it? A dynamo reading. 0.27. That's kind of low. 0.26. 0.28. 1.2. Wait, why is that short? Oh, why are you short? That's not good. 0.35. 0.33. Okay, what's not short? False alarm. The thing is, this type iPad has a CPU issue a lot. If it's dropped. 0.25. So it's not short. If it's short, you can probably. 0.46. 0.33. Power on. Let's look at this one. Power management chip. There's another one over here. This is the main one. Let's see. Point 0.28. 0.28. Something wrong there. It's not short. Okay, so we found the issue. Apparently this button right here, whatever connector right here, is shorting out. This one right here. Put a microscope. Let's see. So we found there's a burnt spot right here. So it goes to this button here. It was somehow there was a lot of dirt here, corroded, and as you can see, it sort of melted. This flex connector and this thing. This is the VDD main, and this is the short. This is a ground right here, and right next to it. So, as you can see, this is somehow this one short out and burn out this connector. It could be the magnet safe charger. Oh, it is. Let's connect to this one. That's why this power VD main goes to there. That's why it kills the iPad. Okay. Plug it in. Oh. All right. So it's booting up. Okay, see it's on. It's charging 1.4 amps. Well, there you go. Yeah. Delete. Oh, delete. Okay. So it's working fine. It's charging fine now. So there you go. So thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. We're gonna put everything back.